Oh god.
Oh, dude, that was heavy. I'm so bad at skimboarding.
We're gonna go get a little skimming in with the JLB. And oh, here comes Robbie Crawford. He's out here too. Robbie! How's it looking?
Just a couple.
Yeah?
Yeah.
JLB's got the whole squad on him. Oh, Pound Town. Oh my!
That was really sick.
That was sick.
There's a couple sideys that are totally makeable.
Oh, really?
I mean, I suck at them, but you totally got them.
Yeah.
Way better than yesterday. It's a lot more stuff.
Yeah.
That one you had, you got full barrel in and out.
Little head dipper.
Little, come on, dude. Look at this. I could like run out there and catch this thing, but I don't want to. Look at this little wedger though, right here. Look at this kid. Go straight.
That guy's kind of hectic.
Backside? I'm gonna try to go backside. How's this swallowtail? Watch this monkey drop.
This is a good one.
This is gnarly, dude.
Guy doesn't give up.
The way he chomped into that turn was like he had fins on, just like, yeah! I think he thought you had fins on your board.
I do. I kind of like the swallowtail vibe. Harley?
You just gotta run a little faster.
Here we go, here we go. Wash his hair a little bit.
That was sick. Oh god.
Oh. Perfect.
Holy
How's this one?
coming. So bad out here. It's still fun though. just took off on the wave on my stomach. And I was like, oh my God, I started going right and there's like dry sand on the inside. Oh, f that. Oh, that was a good one. Bro, these guys are dumb houses. Clark, a little out there. No. Oh shoot! I did one. That's a solid wrap for sure. Into the barrel. Oh here, another one. Guy's pulling rank, dude. Even from here. Pretty heavy, like wide man shorebreak kind of stuff.
Jamie's picking up some speed on those. He's kind of getting it. That guy's not getting it. Not getting it. Dude, that one right before that one was sick. Jamie kind of got one.
I mean, you made a barrel
yeah,
again.
I got one. That one was pretty sweet
Making
too.
me look like a fool around here.
Yeah, right.
I can't be doing that.
I think if you picked up the skim again, you'd be doing that.
Oh shit. Wave of the day, perfect closeout.
A couple of those this morning. Sure. I think your wave of the day was the skim wave.
The skim wave, yeah? The little wrap?
That was, you had two of them that were best skim waves I've ever seen you on.
Really? Really? Whoa.
I don't know ever seen, but ever seen Jamie.
He's on the butter, bro. I like the wraps. The wraps are sick.
Yeah.
It feels good. Like you're like stoking on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, kind of ripping. Kind of ripping.
I can't get out to the side wave, dude. That's why I'm riding this like 6 foot long, because I'm fat, this board's fat, and we all kind of work together on it, you know? Helps me sneak in the side.
Yep, yep.
Probably the best turn anyone's done all year out here. Oh, right here, watch this one. I'll take that one out right here. Oh.
Next world champ over there.
Next wave. Not this one, obviously. The next one's a good shot. I got the wave though, that's all that matters. Holy shit.
That was a good time. Successful 2 days at Wedge.
I'm gonna actually pee myself.
Cool, right on, guys. Have a good
Alright,
one.
this kid wants to. Oh, no photo with
no
you?
pictures with me, man.
Oh, man.
I guess I don't have that good of a YouTube channel yet.
Okay, ready? All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. It was an epic day at the Wedge. Don't forget to check out Blair's page, Skid Kids. Thanks for meeting up with me.
Hey, it was a pleasure. Thanks for having us.
And yeah, no worries. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Cali edit. Good times. We're out of here.
Mini Wedge was fun.
Mini Wedge, that was good.
It was a
Good times.
Couple doubles.
Couple.
Whoa, that's such a big one.
Ah! Skid Kids.